I've been using the Remitly mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the Remitly app. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Remitly mobile app. First, let's look at what the Remitly mobile app offers. The app promotes itself as a convenient platform for international money transfers, allowing users to send funds to over 170 countries worldwide. It provides multiple delivery options, including bank deposits, cash pickups at approximately 470,000 locations, mobile wallets, and even home delivery in select regions. Remitly also offers two transfer speeds: Express, which delivers funds within minutes for a fee, and Economy, which takes 3 to 5 business days but often comes with lower fees. But is it truly reliable? Let's take a look at its performance. So the app has received praise for its user-friendly interface and robust security measures, such as multi-factor authentication and data encryption. However, some users have reported occasional issues with customer service responsiveness and higher fees for certain transfer corridors. It's also important to note that funding transfers with a credit card may incur additional fees, both from Remitly and the card issuer. Now let's talk about the user experience. The Remitly mobile app is available for both iOS and Android devices, ensuring accessibility for a wide range of users. The interface is designed to be intuitive, with clear instructions and real-time updates on transfer statuses. The app supports multiple languages, catering to a diverse user base. Additionally, Remitly provides 24/7 customer support, which is a significant advantage for users sending money across different time zones. Overall, the Remitly mobile app is a solid option for individuals seeking a straightforward way to send money internationally. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.